Hello and welcome back everyone to Universe Sandbox 2, and today we are going to be messing with water physics because we discovered it in that one video that did really well, and then we haven't really played much with it. I mean, we drained the ocean, but that's not enough. Like, we need to do more experimentation. Like, can we flood Jupiter? That's a great question. Why hasn't anyone asked that? If someone on this Earth was intelligent, they would have asked that question. Now, obviously, we shouldn't be able to flood Jupiter because Jupiter is like a gas giant and it wouldn't make much sense if we could flood Jupiter. But we're going to try to flood Jupiter. Let's make each particle like the mass of Earth and see what happens. Whoosh! Can we get water pouring on Jupiter's surface? I do not believe that the tile system is going to be affected because I don't think gas giants actually simulate the water and stuff. I don't think so. Oh my god! What? What did we just flood Jupiter? What the heck? Is that Jupiter's great spot there? What? What is going on? How did this just happen? I'm so confused. I didn't add any rock. I just added water. Why are there rocks on the surface? Well, or is that Jupiter's like atmosphere sticking through? What? What just happened? What is going on? Why is the radius increasing? Oh my god, is it collapsing into like a star? Did we just create a watery star? What is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god, wow, we added a lot of water to the point where the hydrogen content dropped to the point where it's considered a rocky planet now. It's no longer a gas giant. Wow, but it's only 12.2 times. You'd think that the gas would just spread out and come to the top, but you know, we've done it. Jupiter is now very wet. If we speed up time, what is happening? Is it heating up? Like, have we just accidentally created a... You know what? Let's see if we can make a water star. That's a fantastic question for today. Can we make a star out of water? Because water is mostly hydrogen. Well, not by mass, but like by like moles. There's 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. What? It turned back into a gas giant. What? Okay. So if we add a bit of water, it becomes a rocky planet, terrestrial planet. But if we add more water, it turns into a gas giant. What? Okay, this makes complete sense. Now it's moist to the point where it's turned to gas again. Now we're just gonna add more water because this makes sense. Like, this is the most exciting thing. Okay, now we're at like 16 Jupiters. We're gonna turn it into a sauna because eventually it'll get hot to the point where like it'll be like warm, and then you'll be able to sit on the surface of Why is adding water decreasing the... Oh, because it's collapsing in on itself. Oh my god, we did it! We have created a water star. Now the nuclear fusion and stuff's gonna rip apart the oxygen and hydrogen, and wow. Add more water and what happens? Wow, the star gets happy. It's a very happy star. It's getting kind of white instead of like yellow. We're just gonna keep adding water. For some reason, the average surface temperature of this star is negative 273 degrees. I'm not feeling that that's very accurate, but let's just look at the activity. Wow, it's very unstable. Look at all the solar flares. It is a very angry... Most of the water is actually going through it at this point. Like, what is actually going on? Oh, jeez. Whoa. Why did that become a quasar or a pulsar? Or why did that happen? Why is it getting more crazily into... What the heck is going on? What? I love this update. It's fantastic. Wow, okay. So I guess we added so much mass that it has now supernovaed, except it didn't really supernova. It collapsed on itself and became a pulsar. Wow. Wow, this is honestly not something you see every day. Unless you're like God or something, but I'm not that. It's a freaking party now. Now the question is, what happens if we add more? Like, it's still negative 273 degrees, of course, because that's just logical. Let's just fire more water at it. More water never hurt anyone. Hydration gang. Oh, it doesn't care. It doesn't care about it anymore. It doesn't care about the amount of mass we give it. It's at 60 suns, doesn't matter. It is happy. It has found nirvana. Not the band. The state of being. Okay, guys, looks like we have discovered that the water is the answer to the universe. Thank you for watching. It's been no, I'm joking. We're not done yet. Okay, so obviously water on Jupiter wasn't going to end in anything very productive because it's Jupiter. But like, better question, Venus. So like, Venus is really hot and there's acid rain and all of these fun things that would make it very hard for Venus to actually support like an ocean. However, there's a certain rate at which we can add water where more water will be added than can be destroyed. So let's go ahead and turn off the view of the atmosphere. We're not going to turn off the atmosphere. Don't worry. Any aliens hiding on Venus, we're not killing you quite yet. What? Why do I see water on the surface of Venus already? What? No, there's none there. They must have just recolored it? Where is, oh, surface, atmosphere, show atmosphere off. What? I guess they just made parts of Venus blue. Is that accurate? What is going on here? That's not water. That can't be water. Is that like the acid oceans? I have no clue what's going on here, honestly. I don't know why Venus is blue. Probably supposed to represent sulfur lakes. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just kind of odd. Okay, well, let's add water and see what happens to the sulfur lakes. I'm sure nothing could possibly go wrong. Obviously, we're not going to add quite that much. We will do auto mass. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's moving a little bit too fast. Let's turn down that speed a darn diddly bit. Oh! Oh, look at that. It's still going through it. That's really annoying. Even at 1 meter per second, it goes through. Why though? Why though? Okay, anyways, ignoring that. We've got like... Why can't I actually aim it? This is acting really odd. Oh, jeez. Is it because everything's moving? I don't know, it seems to not like the fact that Venus is like orbiting. Seems to be getting in the way, so we're gonna turn down the time scale. I think that's what's freaking it out. The time scale is just too high. So let's turn off the show atmosphere again. Let's slow things down a lot. A lot, so that Venus isn't like flying around. And now let's hope that the material launcher... Yay, it's not going through Venus anymore. Although I'm still not getting any control over where to put it. It's just going like in the center of the screen, but that's fine. So pouring water on it, it does appear that, I don't know, it looks like the grid is seeing that blue as water. It looks like it's just getting darker as I add more water to it. So that's odd. I don't know why Venus... I know that's not supposed to represent water. It's definitely not supposed to represent water, but it kind of does right now. That's why it's an experimental build. Actually, I have a video going up right now showing how to get the experimental build if you're interested in being ridiculous like me. So let's flood Venus and see what happens. Like, this water physics stuff is fun, but unless you're flooding the hottest planet, well, I mean, actually, yeah, Mercury, I mean, Venus is hotter than Mercury, at least average. I mean, Mercury is closer to the sun, but the side not facing the sun doesn't get any of that beautiful radiation, and there's no blanket. There's no blanket to protect slash fill with heat. Okay, let's do more water. Like, we need more water because we're trying to flood Venus here with large amounts of water. Like, we want it to be an ocean. Wow, okay. Wow, okay, the fake oceans have disappeared, and now I am actually filling Venus with water. Whoa! Oh, I love the water pouring. I love the water physics. They're so much fun. Liquid physics are just like, ugh. If you've ever been on Reddit r/simulated and seen people simulating fluid dynamics, it's just, there's something just absolutely beautiful about it. Okay. So now we're going to see how quickly it takes for the universe to destroy our work. Oh, it's so hot on the surface. In like the hottest part, it's 400 degrees, which means we should actually see the equator evaporate first if it's realistic. Although the water's pouring into the equator, so maybe not. But these lakes we should be able to tell. So let's speed up time a bit and see what happens. And let's make it so that the lighting isn't so atrocious. Okay. Venus flooded. But what will happen? Do 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 do. Time continues because time never stops. No. Nothing is really happening. The game is just okay with us flooding Venus. It doesn't look like the water is even evaporating. Maybe it's because the pressure is so high? What's the pressure like down there? Let's do a quick check. Because I know high pressure can keep water from evaporating, but let's do a quick check. Pressure 91 atmospheres. So let's see if that's the reason. This is going to absolutely destroy the temperature of Venus, but I'm curious if turning down the pressure will allow the water to evaporate. No, that's not what's causing it. So it seems like there's just things that still have to be programmed in. Like, the water should probably be, unless it's just happening very slowly. Because, like, the water level may be going down. It may just be going too slow. Let's give it, like, a good few years and see if there's any noticeable difference. Okay, but no, it doesn't seem to be. Freezing now that we've removed all the greenhouse gases. Beautiful. Look at what we've done to Venus. It's fantastic. It's like a failed child. You know, you don't quite want to give up on them, but they kind of embarrass you by existing. You know? I'm sure everyone can relate to that. Don't worry, I am the failed child. You don't have to worry. I'm the one. Okay, fantastic. Okay, it's time for some backup. And by backup, I mean you guys. What do you guys think I should do? Spike, see what negative digits do with the laser. I'm already going to guess. It's going to be a cooling laser and it's going to freeze stuff. Although if you remove enough energy, will it just, like, what's the oh, I guess it'll just freeze. Okay, let's see. Let's do power negative. What? 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 Wait a second. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What was supposed to happen there did not happen. That was odd. Yeah, magic cold laser. Huh, but it just, yeah, so it would appear that the negative, it's probably being stored as an unsigned integer or something, the power, and so negative just wraps back to maximum. That would be my computer science-y answer for the reason why that happened. Maybe it may not, may just be their physics system doesn't know what to do. Huh. Very interesting. Okay. So, as it stands, the last test is going to... Oh, Mercury is going to be interesting because if we look at the surface of Mercury... Oh, look at that! We can actually see it! That's so neat. So we can see the difference in temperature between, like, the hot side and the cold side. The cold side is still like 100 degrees Celsius. So if we add water to Mercury, it definitely should evaporate. So, like, this is going to be our last planet we're going to flood. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we have hit Mercury with some nice H2O. Mercury is super ready to be hydrated. Hydration, homies. Unite. Okay, the water is spreading. The water is spreading. We now have an ocean on Mercury, which is very exciting. But is it going to evaporate? Oh, it is! It is! But the funny thing is it evaporates way faster when the water is facing the sun. Oh, that's neat. Big fan of that. But wait, it stopped evaporating. What the heck? It was, but now it's not. What? Why? Why did it stop? So it's... No, wait, there was a little beam of water being shot off there. Very odd. Huh. So it's kind of working. It's kind of working. But, very interesting. Yeah, I saw that you can change what you're looking at. I did see that. Composition. Surface. And you can set it to, like... water level. Oh, water level. That's quite useful. So we can actually check if we do very stupid here and make this rather large. How do I... No? Is it not going to let me expand that anymore? Okay. Anyways. Oh! Oh, what the heck? Oh, nice. I can make a separate window for it. Wait a second. Wait a second. How do I close this? Oh, God. What have I done? Okay, but I can do surface water level. Then I can expand this one. But I can't make it larger in the other direction still. No, I want to make it bigger. Why do you do this, Legend? Legend is beautiful. It gets up to 5 kilometers deep. Wow. Truly inspiring. So it would not appear... Actually, we can look at the maximum level of water on the Legend and see if it goes down over time as lots of time goes by. And what appear when we go super fast, some of it is being evaporated off, but super slowly. I think it would, I think it is pretty inaccurate right now, but, well, we'll see what happens in the future. Okay, guys, very exciting. We've had a very fun time. We've created a ring of water around the sun. Very exciting. Let's add more. Very nice. And, that was some fun water testing. Honestly, things are looking very good for the future. Hopefully the update, a lot of these bugs and strange behaviors are ironed out, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, stay positive, equals MC squared. I'm not even sure how I would test that in this game. Turning a laser into a planet, let's see if it's actually proportional to equals MC squared. let's turn the Earth into, let's nuclear fusion the entire Earth and see the amount of energy and see if it's accurate. There we go. But anyways, don't forget to go onto the Discord SpookVooper. That's going to be discord.gg/SpookVooper or my Twitter, SpikeViperYT. And I will see you all next time. Peace. Hail Vooperia. Bye. I will now disappear and you will be happy.